Come on. Yes, sir.
And that's a Roger 410 Dirty Bird. I heard you in there. I wanted to say welcome to the weekend, my friend. You got a voice that I always know. No two ways about it. Dirty Bird. Hope everything's well and swell. You staying safe out there, break?
Oh, yeah, man. We staying safe, man. We're using this chocolate sanitizer wipes, and we're wearing our respirator. Hello, T28. 828. You got a green on. Say hi, man. We using these wipes, we're wearing our respirator. Hello, T28. Around a big motor. We're fine, Dirty Bird. What's going on? Come on.
That's a Roger 410 Dirty Bird. Someone's trying to crawl up your back, man. I don't know what in the world's going on. But I heard you now when I wave my hand, you know I'm a skip junkie, and I had to squeeze this trigger and say hello to my friend, Mr. Dirty Bird. Hope everything's well and swell. 28 waved and gone.
Hey, 28. Man, I need a cleanup, man. That's what I need is a cleanup. It's all jumbled up. 17 seconds. Listen to this, man. Check it out. Like I say, man, I need a cleanup. Ricochet, gone.
Hey, Ricochet, why you going to do that, man? I'm trying to talk to Dirty Bird. Hey, Ricochet, what in the world you do that to Dirty Bird for? 28 looking back.
They call me Pressure Cooker Mobile. Pressure Cooker Go. Hey, sure, too. A lot of people are trying to get out there running about right now, man. I want to use them all up in at one time. Hey, sure, too. A lot of people are trying to get in their car running about right now. And I want to use them all up in number 2 station of Dirty Bird down here in Georgia got down.
Hey, Dirty Bird, tell 222 to go on down to the Super Bowl, man, where he belongs. Hey, Dirty Bird, I ain't got nothing but a little baby swinging mobile. You tell that 222 to get on down to the Super Bowl where he belongs with that base station. 28 Chicago gone now.
Georgia, put it down in the world sound. Hello to your President. Oh, Dirty Bird, I got some cruising today. May miles later in the backwoods. I'm reading your mail. Hey, Pressure Cooker. Hey, Dirty Bird, it is